Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19. 5 doctors, including 4 who treated a woman who died of COVID-19, have tested positive for coronavirus in Kashmir. The 5 doctors tested positive for COVID-19 on Sunday night, taking the number of healthcare workers affected by the deadly virus in the valley to 16. A senior doctor at the Chest Disease Hospital, a designated COVID-19 hospital, said 4 of the doctors who tested positive for the disease were treating a COVID-19 positive woman who died of comorbidities on Sunday. A 65-year-old COVID-19 patient from Kulgam died at the CD Hospital, Srinagar, second such death in a day, and 15th in Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier, a 75-year-old man from Anantnag died at the CD Hospital. With the latest fatality, 15 persons have died due to the disease so far in Jammu and Kashmir, 13 of them in Kashmir and 2 in the Jammu division. Urging people to avoid spitting in public places, quit chewing tobacco and pan masala, and maintain social distancing to defeat spread of coronavirus, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory government said the final call on Lockdown 4.0, which has been extended till May 31st by the centre, will be taken on Tuesday. Advising people to refrain from spreading rumours and pay no heed to them at the same time, the government reiterated that early detection of COVID-19 can prevent the spread of disease, so one needs to be responsible for their well-being and everyone around them. Doda has become the first district of Jammu and Kashmir to start out the patient department services in district hospital after the services were stopped due to COVID-19 crisis in March. The services were started in community hall of Doda instead of the OPD block, which was converted into the COVID-19 hospital. The Meteorological Department section of Jammu and Kashmir on Monday forecast spell of rain and thunderstorm in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The weatherman informed that light to moderate rain will occur at scattered places of Kashmir and erstwhile Doda district of Jammu region. He added that strong gusty wind were also reported from some areas of Kashmir and Ladakh region. The Jammu and Kashmir Police has registered a FIR against a construction firm for alleged unplanned excavation of the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway that triggered landslides, leaving 2 people dead. The landslide on Saturday in Siri Ramban also damaged 9 vehicles, mostly trucks and excavators engaged in an ongoing 4-laning highway project.
पूरा हिल जो है नीचे आ गई, उसके नीचे तकरीबन 7-8 गाड़ियां भी आ गई। बाद में जब हमने रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन किया, रामबन पुलिस और यहाँ की जो सिविल क्यूआरटी है, तो रेस्क्यू में हमने 8 लोगों को वहाँ से शिफ्ट किया हॉस्पिटल जो इंजर्ड थे। बाद में 2 डेड बॉडीज भी हमने साइड से रिकवर की।
Jammu Municipal Corporation demolished a violative portion of the commercial structure at Gujarnagar, Jammu, exhibiting its policy of zero tolerance to illegal construction in the city. The whole operation was carried out by the enforcement wing of JMC under the supervision of JMC Commissioner Avni Lavasa. JMC Commissioner appealed the general public to abide by the building and civic norms of the JMC and refrain from illegal change of land use and violations in building plan. Seeking the restoration of J&K Bank select list and reinstatement of terminated health employees of Jammu region, Harsh Dev Singh, Chairman JK NPP, torched the effigy of the BJP-led government at main stop Gandhinagar. He said that BJP has caused the greatest embitterment in the hearts and minds of Jammu people, who had given its 25 seats in assembly besides both the seats of parliament.
और ये खुलासा किसी और ने नहीं, बल्कि यहाँ के जो संवैधानिक हेड थे जम्मू कश्मीर के, जो सत्यपाल मलिक गवर्नर रहे थे यहाँ के, उन्होंने ये एक स्टार्टलिंग रेवलेशन किया।
The Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board is in its process of formulating standard operating procedures that will be followed once pilgrimage to the cave shrine in Trikuta Hills of Jammu and Kashmir resumes. The yatra will resume only when directions from the Union Home Ministry are issued. The pilgrimage to the shrine in Riyasi district was stopped on March 18th in view of spread of coronavirus in Jammu and Kashmir. The Central Board of Secondary Education on Monday released the much-awaited date sheet of Class 12th board examinations for the remaining papers and for the rescheduled board examination for Class 10th. The students have been directed to follow social distancing, carry their own hand sanitizer in a transparent bottle, and cover their nose and mouth with mask or cloth.